So this question is a simplify question. I know that because it is short. Simplify questions are typically 1 to 3 lines long, and it has an equation, right? So that's the other criteria. Simplify questions are short and have an equation and or, I'm sure I should say or, not and, or an expression. So I'm going to rewrite this equation, 2 parentheses x plus 3, close parentheses, plus x equals 3 parentheses x plus 2, and I'm going to simplify it, right? So here's my simplification. So I'm going to distribute the 2 across here, making this a 2x plus 6 plus x equals distributed 3 across that binomial, and I get 3x plus 6. On this side, I have like terms. 2x plus x is 3x, so I have 3x plus 6 equals 3x plus 6. This is absolutely true. It is always true. It is true no matter what the x value is. And let me just continue simplifying it for those who probably would have continued from here. So if you continue to like subtract 3x from both sides, subtract 6 from both sides, and you'd end up with 0 equals 0, right? Which for some people might be a little confusing. It's like, well, what happened to my x? What happened to my numbers here? But we have 0 equals 0. Here's how I want you to think about this. First of all, it's kind of like this step, which is where I was initially going to stop, right? This is a true statement. This statement is always true no matter what you plug in for x, right? Because whatever you plug in for x here will also get plugged in here, therefore making each side of the equal sign the same, no matter what you plug in. Here, there is no x to plug in, but 0 equals 0 is also always true, right? It's always true. Always true. So are there 0 solutions? No. Are there exactly 1 solution to x? No. Is there exactly 2 solutions to x? No. There are infinitely many solutions to x. Any x value that you plug in will lead to 0 equals 0, right? Again, and that's why I was going to stop here, because it's easier to see at this stage that any x value that I put in will make the left-hand side exactly the same as the right-hand side. But just in case you are not used to stopping there, just realize anytime you have 0 equals 0, or even if it's a number equals itself, like if I had 6 equals 6, that is always the case, right? So if that were the answer, it would also lead to infinitely many solutions being the correct answer here.